These are too fire, bruh. These ones right here are too fire. Let me know what you guys think about these in the comment section below. They got a lot of stuff here though, bro.
Mixtape trappers, and you're loving it.
Trap, work, grind, then you shine, nigga.
What's good, YouTube? Your boy Bossco back again with another sneaker review. Hopefully everybody's having a great day wherever you are in the universe. We're about to check out some shoes that was a delayed W for me. Something I thought was very dope. Might have been under the radar, but I didn't find it at too many places. Definitely not no general release. Let me know what you guys think about these in the comment section. If you guys watched the past video when I went for the raffle for them off-white blazers at Undefeated, I came across these shoes in that video. So you guys might have a hint of what this is. But if you don't, without further ado, well, actually by the title you will know what it is. But without further ado, let's get to the bag. Let's see what's inside here. Smash the like button, share the video, give me your thoughts and opinions on this shoe, on anything you see in this video. And if you are new, of course, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Without further ado, let's get to the bag, you dig? I found these shoes at was Sneaker News. I checked it out and seen the shoe. I thought it was dope. The colorway is fire. And I just like what they got going on here. And without, you know, Sneaker News and other apps like that, I wouldn't have found them. Then when I went to Adidas, when I went to Undefeated the other day to go ahead and enter a raffle, shout out to my boy Rosh for letting me know they were doing a raffle there for these blazers. I seen these shoes, man. I had to strike. So without further ado, man, let's go ahead and check these out. I don't want to hold y'all too long. These shoes to me are A double plus. Like, I don't even know how to describe them besides super fire. The box is even pretty dope how they got it wrapped up. If you guys can see the tag, this is a ADIDAS Consortium collab, Ultra Boost, Uncaged, which, you know, we like the Uncages. We've done some reviews on Uncages on this channel before. If not, if you haven't seen it, go ahead and check out the past videos. Let's pull these bad boys out, man. We've seen them on display, but let's go ahead and see them up close and personal. These things are fire, bruh. Fire. Slept on. If you did not know about these, you definitely need to go check these out. And they come with extra laces. I was told they come with 2 extra pair of laces. So I believe you have 3 total pair of laces. We're going to pull these out, get to the up close personal details of these shoes. These are the ADIDAS Consortium collab. Very dope shoe. Uncaged edition. All black boost. Let's get the other shoe out, bruh. This is no cap at all. No BSing, no joking. These are fire. I saw them on display, looked at them for a quick second because I wanted to get home and go ahead and look more detailed at these. These are definitely staying with your boy. Oh my God. Let me go ahead and put this box up. I like the packaging. I like it. It's something different. It's cool. It reminds me of some old cardboard or whatever. We'll get to that later. But let me go ahead and do it like that. Fire shoe. Let me know your thoughts and opinion on this shoe. It has a murdered out triple black boost, if you want to say, just an all black boost all around the shoe with the continental bottom that's always on the Ultra Boost. You know, a lot of people have been sleeping on Ultra Boost lately because a lot of other shoes have been coming out and popping. But if you're a sneakerhead, you just like shoes in general, it's not about the hype. But these are fire. I don't know how they slept on the radar. I don't see too many people talking about them. I didn't see too many reviews on them. So hopefully this is a shoe that you guys might try and go after. They retailed at, I believe, 200 and... let me check and make sure I get this thing fact straight. I want to make sure I'm right. They released at 220 price point on September 14, 2018. Fire shoe, bruh. We're going to get to the details of this shoe up close and personal. I like it, man. This shoe is fire. The colorway is like that Dodger blue, just like them Jordan 1 Dodger blues I'll be showing you guys sometime in the mall vlogs. I love the black boost on here. I like the black heel cup or whatever you want to call that right here with the black Ultra Boost in the like engraved. Very dope shoe. All the prime knit upper. Woo, the laces is blue and black. They got these engraved stars right here. If you guys can see on both shoes, there's like stars that make a circle. This shoe right here, ADIDAS has a very good history of, you know, in the fashion industry, and they did this collab with Adidas Consortium, which is more of a premium situation going on for Adidas. That's why they had a $220 price point. Same as much as a Yeezy. Is it at the same? You know, would you guys say that that's a right price point for this shoe? Let me know in the comment section below. Should this be the same price point as an Adidas Yeezy $350? I don't know. Let me know what you think. But these are fire, man. I like the pull tabs on the collar right here. Makes it real stretchy for you to easily put your foot in and out of the shoe. I imagine, and I know how it goes. You guys should know if you guys have Ultra Boost. This shoe is going to be comfortable, bruh. The Continental bottom for great grip, as you guys see on the tag right there. The logo Continental, you dig? Very, very dope shoe. I like how they have the Ethos and Adidas on the back of the shoe. One side of the shoe has Ethos along with the Consortium. There we go. Consortium little circles right here. I think no, you can't pull it. I thought you could probably pull it and open it. And then on the other shoe, it has Adidas on the front pull tab. So these are dope. Little details different on both shoes, but the shoe's very much the same. The colorway is fire. You know, blue is one of my favorite colors. Of course, red is my favorite, as you see on the shirt. Red is one of my favorite colors, but this blue is super fire. I mean, who cannot like this blue? It's like a Dodger blue. Let's go ahead and check out these laces and see what's going on with them. Fire shoe, and it comes with 2 extra pair of laces. Let's go ahead and get a closer look at these and see what they look like. Let me know what you guys think about these shoes in the comment section. If you think they're fire, please smash the like button. Oh, okay, these are some black laces. So you got some black laces, and then you have like a blue. Oh, it's the opposite of what this one is. This one is like a blue dominant with black, you know, hints in there, and this one is a black dominant with blue hints. So you can switch it up there or go with some straight black laces. These are fire, bro. What laces would you guys put in here? If you guys share your thoughts and opinion, would you guys go with the black laces, the blue and black laces, or the black and blue laces? I mean, not too much of a difference, but then again, it does add different detail. Would be crazy if it had 3M on here. I don't see nothing wrong with this shoe though. I can't say anything wrong with this thing. This is super fire. We'll get to the up close and personal visuals and an on feet. Hopefully I didn't take too long in the video. Smash the like button if you like the video. Share the video, of course. Give me all the feedback as possible in the comment section, or like, dislike. Just let me know what you guys think about these shoes. And man, I appreciate everybody watching, taking the time out your day to watch. If you are new, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, man. Without further ado, let's get to the highlights of these shoes on the on feet. It's your boy Bossco. Peace.